unscrew the cover, undo the red lock, take the flow meter, and then screw it on to the tank, and then open the tank by turning it counterclockwise. You'll see how much pressure. We have 1,000 psi, we're good to go. This little flow meter goes into either one of these on the back of the machine. They're interchangeable. Now the nitric is hooked up and ready to go. We turn the machine on, switch in the lower back corner. It takes about 2 minutes. So now that we are on, to do the room air cal before we use it, the low cal, you push this button in the corner till it says low cal. You push the low cal button here, and then you push the low cal button over here to start the low cal. It takes about 2 minutes. Okay, so now that it's past the low cal and everything is green, you hit this arrow back, the flashing one, to the main screen. And one more time you go to the delivery screen. And then this is where you set it, and these are your displays. And a little green right here in the tank means that's the tank you're hooked to. The other tank is off. If you were to hook it up and turn it on, it would turn green too, but you only need one at a time. So your green tank is the tank you're using. And now we'll show how to hook it up into the ventilator. Patient outlet port of the ventilator before the humidifier. That goes in there just like that. The sample port here goes in the inspiratory limb, one length of tubing back from the Y, and they're preset that way. So it just goes there and here, and then you just have to adjust your system. So the most likely source of an alarm or problem on this one is if this sampling line either gets disconnected or occluded or stepped on, it will very quickly start alarming as soon as you're, there we go, so it'll just alarm, and your nitric analyzed and NO2 analyzed and oxygen will drop to room air and to 0, and then if that's either reattached or unoccluded, get the wheel of the ventilator off of it, they'll quickly return to normal. So when we're set up to bag on the portable nitric oxide, you turn the nitric oxide off here by pushing the button there, dialing it down to 0, hitting enter. It will say close the cylinder valve. Just for travel, you don't have to close the cylinder valve. You just hit the X there, then the nitric only flows through the bottom blender. Just remember to turn it back on to the prescribed amount when you're done traveling. Back to the ventilator. So to travel with the nitric oxide, you hook up either the ambu bag or the anesthesia bag to this bottom blender. You turn this knob to the 20 part per million of nitric, and you turn the oxygen flow to 10 liters a minute.